after yesterday, that's what I'm left with. The glass in there. Alright, y'all. Finna get my windshield replaced. You see it's bubbling up, cracking up. Got the little foam shit popping up. I got my man. They got a number there. And that's everything they do. You know what I'm saying? Finna get it right. Yes, man, this shit a little bit horrible. One step at a time, though. You finna do it up right now. So, buddy just told me, other than the windshield and the back glass, they also do the door glass as well, front and back. And I guess this too. Like, if you remember, this glass was the only one they had in the nation at the time I got mine. It was the only brand new one in Florida. Safelite don't even have it. So, as a matter of fact, Safelite is the one who referred me to these boys. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna end up doing all the glass around the whole car. You know what I'm saying? Step by step, one day at a time. You know what I'm saying? Little things at a time. I'm working on it. I'm still trying to get right so I can get this cancer took care of, but that's another story. Working on it though. Stay tuned. My man got a little special tool. He got the little paddle on a thing. That shit there, I ain't never seen that. There. Look at that. That's crazy. Alright, y'all, so the front glass is out. Look at this down. Front dash. It's like I got some rust right here. Yup, look at that. Okay. That's noted. I didn't see that before. Go to the other side. Man, I've been trying to get this piece of paper out of there forever. It was a ticket. I think from a car show. No real rust, but it is some water right there. What the fuck is this? Oh, that's from my little alarm thing.
Oh, bro.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna wait to try to get this fixed before I put the glass in. It'll be way easier for them to, fix this while the windshield ain't in there. Also, I'm talking to my other boy. See if bro can help me with the dash or whatever while the windshield is out. Anybody know where to get this from? It's like the weather strip that goes in between the glass and the metal here, like a weather stripping. He said they don't use those. For every windshield he don't never put this weather stripping up there. So I was curious if y'all boys know, you know what I'm saying, how that go. But as far as, any other rust spots, I've seen a little bit here, but other than that, I didn't really see any more. Yeah, it's rust up here too a little bit. See that right there? I need to take this trim off so that way I can really get in there and look to see. But it is a little bit right there too. Oh, fuck, man. It's always something, bro. You know what I'm saying? But see, that look. Where my thumb at? That metal in there look damn good. Yeah, that kind of look good too up in there. I don't know, man. I need to take this trim off and really, do a deep dive looking But the car 30-something years old, man. Been in this Florida sun. It's gonna have rust spots. You know what I'm saying? It's what come with it. It ain't garage kept, so which it's probably gonna be. All right, so since I'm at a standstill with the glass or whatever, oh shit, I think I'm gonna see about taking this front dash out. You know, it's all cracked up, so now would be the perfect time to get to them screws and shit since the glass out. So that's what I'm finna try to do, and make sure ain't no, you know what I'm saying, no more hidden rust. Alright, so there's a screw there. There's a couple of screws up in there. The screws and bolts look like, yep, bolts right there. All the way down to the other side. And I took out these four. You know what I'm saying? It was here. And the same on the other side. Here's our main bolts. Lift it up a little bit and boom. Take this alarm thing off of here. I ain't gonna lie, I thought that was gonna be way harder to take off, you know what I'm saying, than what it was. That's just a couple screws and a bolt and boom, that bitch off of there. But all right, now that I got that off of there, I ain't seeing no other rust. So you know what I'm saying, that's always a good sign. I'm gonna take these off here too. I'm gonna do that right now. As soon as I get done looking at this shit. Let's see. Oh, I think we good. It all look good. It's crazy, just that one little area. This one here and this up here is really the only rust coming from up under the windshield. So shit, I think I might be good. You know what that power is. Alright, y'all, I got my boy Dakota. We're working on this piece here. We're gonna try to steal a piece of metal from the floorboard that I'm gonna cut out and replace it with that, and we're gonna go from there. Now we just gonna trim this out. You see it starting to, we've been poking at it with a flat head, but trim it out and put a new piece on. Yeah, that shit, that's crazy. Alright, finna crank it up. That's why I look like that, but it is that bit smooth. Oh yeah. So now I can get the front windshield replaced. There is another spot over there I want to get fixed too, but this was the main spot. So over here on this side, it just look like surface rust. I wonder if I can get my grinder and grind that down and see what it look like up under it. Might try that. So I did get my grinder and grinded that surface rust out. Then I hit it with a little bit of sandpaper to see what it's gonna look like. It cleaned up alright. Still got the little indentions in it though from where the rust was eating on it, but whoever painted whatever can fix that with the putty or however they do it. Alright, so I got this welded up. I'm not liking that finish too much, so what I'm gonna try to do is sand it down some to see if I can, you know, kind of make it smoother looking. We'll see. So I got the glass man coming tomorrow to put the new windshield in, so I'm gonna try to clean all this up, get all this, you know, debris and stuff out of here, because I don't want to have no problems when he go put the glass in. Kind of sand this down a little bit. I'm gonna do some more research on it, to see what else I can do to it. I don't got no buffer right now, so I might have to go get one of those, but we'll see. But in the meantime, I'm finna clean this out. Alright, so gave it a nice clean. I got every damn leaf I could find. Also cleaned up in here, because that's where you gotta put that adhesive shit at. You see it's still some on there. He might buff that off before he put the new one up there. I don't know, but that's where I'm at. Got a new glass, baby. We finna do it up. It's going in. Got that spot welded. He gonna scuff it back down and put some primer on it. Same thing with that top left corner right there. But overall, it's not bad. I cleaned up that spot over there too, so that's good. We just gotta put the glass in it. Going in. Smooth with it. And it got like a little tint to it too, huh?
Yeah.
Huh. I like that. That's interesting. I didn't really pay that no mind until you put it up there. That's crazy. Yeah, it got a little tint to it. It like fade all the way down.
The glass has the stops where the windshield sit on it.
Yeah.
So it doesn't go lower down.
Yeah, what it's supposed to.
Yes, sir. That way you have the room to put the clips on the top.
Yeah, for the trim.
I just want to make sure it's even on both sides.
Yeah.
So that way you got the same room on both sides.
On both sides. Yeah, cause I still gotta order those clips.
Yes, sir.
See, the clips go like right down those little things right there. Yeah. Almost there. One more time, there go the number. You know what I'm saying? All right, so buddy just left. He got me set in there, brand new, clean. I like the fact that it got a little mild tint to it too. You know what I'm saying? And they got a little trim around the VIN. So far they've done my front and back glass. I was thinking about letting them do these, but they ain't so bad. Might just strip them down, clean them up real good, and take them over to get tinted, and go from there. Same thing with the back. I'm gonna put some tint on that one too. And see what I can get away with the front. You know what I'm saying? But we almost there, man. One step at a time, baby. Some motion better than no motion.